Bollywood actor Akshay Kumar is celebrating his 53rd birthday today. On this special occasion, the actor's first look from his forthcoming film Bell Bottom has been unveiled. Trade analyst Taran Adarsh took to Instagram to share the first look poster. He captioned the post, "New look on Akshay Kumar's birthday today. Team Bell Bottom unveils the new look from the spy thriller." In the picture, Akshay can be seen sporting a stylish retro look. The film is a spy thriller directed by Ranjit M. Tiwari, set in the 1980s. It also stars Vani Kapoor, Lara Dutta and Huma Qureshi and is slated for an April 2021 release. Bollywood actress Kangana Ranaut has come down heavily on Maharashtra Chief Minister Uddhav Thackeray in a video she tweeted on Wednesday after BMC initiated demolition work at her Bandra office. Kangana took to Twitter soon after landing in Mumbai and shared a video where speaks in Hindi. She shared that she now understands how Kashmiri Pandits felt after properties vandalized. In the clip, Kangana is heard saying in Hindi,
उद्धव ठाकरे, तुझे क्या लगता है कि तूने फिल्म माफिया के साथ मिलके मेरा घर तोड़ के मुझसे बहुत बड़ा बदला लिया है? आज मेरा घर टूटा है, कल तेरा घमंड टूटेगा। ये वक्त का पहिया है, याद रखना, हमेशा एक जैसा नहीं रहता। और मुझे लगता है कि तुमने मुझ पर बहुत बड़ा एहसान किया है, क्योंकि मुझे पता तो था कि कश्मीरी पंडितों पे क्या बीती होगी। आज मैंने महसूस किया है और आज मैं इस देश को वचन देती हूँ कि मैं सिर्फ अयोध्या पे ही नहीं, कश्मीर पे भी एक फिल्म बनाऊंगी और अपने देशवासियों को जगाऊंगी, क्योंकि मुझे पता था हमारे साथ होगा तो होगा, लेकिन मेरे साथ हुआ है, इसका कोई मतलब है, इसके कोई मायने हैं। और उद्धव ठाकरे, ये जो क्रूरता और ये जो आतंक है, अच्छा हुआ ये मेरे साथ हुआ, क्योंकि इसके कुछ मायने हैं। जय हिंद, जय महाराष्ट्र।
Filmmaker Anurag Kashyap has confessed about not wanting to work with late actor Sushant Singh Rajput, saying he had his own reasons. Anurag shared WhatsApp chats with Sushant's manager on Twitter to explain why he did not want to work with the late actor. The chat he had with the late actor's manager is dated May 22 and June 14. "I am sorry that I am doing this, but this chat is from 3 weeks before he passed away. Chat with his manager on 22nd of May. Haven't done it so far but feel the need now. Yes, I did not want to work with him for my own reasons," he wrote while sharing a screenshot. The chat has Sushant's manager requesting him to cast the actor in his next project. "I know you don't like people pitching actors. I feel I can take that chance with you. Please keep Sushant Singh Rajput in mind if you feel he fits in anywhere with you. As an audience, okay, I would love to see you two create something great." The message from the manager read. To this, Anurag replied, "He is too problematic man. I have known him from before he started out and got him his film Kai Po Che." Anurag then went on to share the conversation he had with Sushant's manager on June 14 when the actor died. "Also my conversation with his manager on June 14. It will show you things if you want to see. It feels horrible to do this but can't keep it back. And for those as well who think we did not care for the family, as honest as I can be, judge me all you want," the filmmaker tweeted. Anurag goes on to explain Bollywood's support for Rhea Chakravarti following her arrest. "Everybody baying for Rhea's blood, asking questions like how did you know she did not do this or that to him? How do you what was he going through? Are forgetting that the whole industry has actually known and seen and interacted with SSR over last 9 to 10 years. Yes, we know better," he wrote. And that is the reason the whole industry has been quiet so far out of respect for him. And now it is that very knowledge of SSR that has again brought everyone out here together to stand in solidarity for Rhea because it's gone too far, he added. Bollywood actress Taapsee Pannu has come out in support of Rhea Chakravarti. This has happened after Rhea Chakravarti, girlfriend of the late actor, was arrested by the Narcotics Control Bureau. Reacting to a news video on Twitter regarding Rhea, Taapsee tweeted, "Correction, she wasn't consuming, financing and procuring for Sushant. So in that case, if he was alive, he would have been put behind bars too." Oh no, she must have forced the drugs onto him. Sushant must have been force-fed marijuana. Yes, that's what it is exactly. We did it, guys. On Sunday, Taapsee had reacted to a news video showing Rhea Chakravarti being mobbed by the paparazzi while arriving at the NCB office. Reacting to the video, Taapsee had tweeted, "In the name of justice, these people have lynched a human being of her right to live even before proven guilty. I sincerely pray karma finds the address of each and every human being part of this lowest low of the mankind we are witness to." Bollywood diva Shilpa Shetty's husband Raj Kundra is celebrating his birthday today. The actress took to Instagram to share an adorable video for Raj. The video involved beautiful moments of Raj with his wife Shilpa and kids. Shilpa captioned the post, "Happy birthday, my cookie. You are truly a complete package. The most amazing son, brother, husband, father or friend anyone could ask for. The universe really did conspire to give me the best, my soulmate. Thank you for inspiring, teaching, always encouraging and making me laugh. My heartfelt prayer today and every day is you get all the desire in abundance. Wishing you great health and happiness always. Love infinity you. It's not just engraved on my wedding ring but also my heart forever." This is our song from The Greatest Showman, so apt because the time I spent with you is never enough. Shilpa and Raj have 2 kids, Vian Raj Kundra and Shamisha Shetty Kundra.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.